So we heard about this mango made, mango halasu made, I think, which is happening in Biri, and that is like very close to my house. So me, my mom, and my neighbor, we are going there. Let's see what we can find there.
Fire went out, lights went down when you.
We are going here. The place looks like this. There are a lot of products here. There is seed also if you want to grow something. There are sweets as well, and then there is like kuruktindi here. I was so nervous, man. I was like, shoot, what do I do? I go like, here we have kuruktindi, and then I go like, oh shit, who is this person? And then I just ran away, and then I had the guts to go back to him, and I'm like, please, can I get a photo with you? And he was so kind enough to be like, yes. Oh, thanks. Nice. Are now up in the second floor, which has a lot of things. I can see that there are a lot of fruits and so many other things here. So we have come to the second floor, and in the second floor it's completely like tindi, and here you can see different kind of items made in Halisanakai and Mavinakai, of course. And that in this place there is Halisanakai momos, I think, jackfruit momos. We are back again with Kailar's ice cream. If you guys ever come across Kailar's Naisargika ice cream, please give a try. Havyakas, meet Havyakas. Yet again, I am trying the Katuma Vinahannu ice cream. I really don't know if you can hear my voice, but I wish you guys can hear my voice. And I love this like always. Thumbs up. Have protein and vitamin juices here as well. So yeah, they have mung bean juice, banana rasayana, and sesame juice. And like you can see, they freshly prepare it there. So now we are trying which momos from Amma Momos. We have jackfruit momos here, and this is the shop. My momos parcel from Amma Mushrooms here. We just tried the Halsinanu kebab from this place. Pretty good, solid. There are so many tindi places here. Like you can see, they are preparing it. And then there is holige. There is the usual bread twisted on. There's charmuri, I guess. And then it's kind of now trying the jackfruit milkshake. Let's see what it tastes like. Jackfruit milkshake. Nice only. Like it tastes like jackfruit, so good enough. Someone just asked me, am I vlogging? And I said yes. I don't know what's there in that, but now it feels really good. Like everyone's just calling me, looking at the camera, and it feels so weird and nice as well. Done with floor 2. We're going back to floor 1 because Amma wants to buy some plants. Of course, she wants them. So let's go to floor 1 now. Everyone is just looking at my face, and it's so weird. I don't know if you guys can hear my voice, but now there are a lot of people here, like a lot of people. We are back in floor 1. Guys, do check out Varahi Home Food Products as well. Got new followers, guys. Thank you so much. Do check out Deepam Jewelers, okay? Deepam Jewelers. Yeah. We are back in the store as well. Like you can see, he's pretty famous, and he's sitting right there. And they have Khadi products, so you can check that as well. There are. So they have this buy one get one offer going. You guys can check them out. That is Swadeshi Khadi Vastrodhyama. Like you can see, there are so many people. When we first came, like we came at 10 a.m. at 10:30 I think. At that time there was very less people comparatively, but now so many people, guys. One thing I regret is not getting my mic here. I'm so sorry, but from next time I'll definitely get my mic. So this is the mango, which is like 1,000 per piece. So that mango is 1,000 per piece, and it seems it's called the Japanese mango. It's grown in Ankola, in Karnataka. I can't think how people get one mango for 1,000 rupees, guys. Like crazy. Japanese mango, rambutan, guava, and jamun. One is 80 for 250 grams. Guava is 120 per kg, and jamun is 70 rupees for 250 grams. So they have given the liberty to choose the jamuns that we want. It seems this is hybrid. Let's try. No. See how purple might violet? Purple? I don't know. Hey, not bad. I was expecting it to be like purple. We got a rambutan sample as well. Let's try. I love rambutan. Very good. If you find these guys anywhere in an event, please check them out. There is Halasinakai here. You guys can check these products as well. They kind of freshly peel it here and then pack it for you guys. There are rose plants here as well. It seems it's 100 per plant. You can check that. There is this store as well. And her never-ending love for plants. And safe to say that we are done with the Halasu Mao Mela. It was really good. Like I expected nothing out of it, but honestly it was really good. So if you guys stay somewhere around Mangalore or around Tokkot, Kotakar or Biri, I mean of course it's happening in Biri, please come and check it out. I give a thumbs up. So it's okay, the location is near Biri bus stop itself. It's near this BR bakery, so come and check it out. Nice. We are back in the bus stop to go home now. We reached home. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next. Bye bye.